Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find StockX promo code. For that, you need to open your web browser. You can do it in your PC and in your mobile device. And here in the search bar, you need to search for StockX promo code. Once done, you will be able to see various types of websites that provides you the StockX promo codes. So among these, I would recommend you to go with this one, that is couponfollow.com. So you just have to click on it and you will also be able to see the link from StockX itself. So you need to click on this link as well to read the article that tell you the latest working promo codes on StockX officially. Now, once you are on couponfollow.com, you will be able to see various types of coupon codes that are currently working as of August 27, 2024. Now, among these coupon codes, you just have to select which coupon code you want to actually use. So, let's say I want to use this coupon code that is 10% off on your order. So, if you want to see more details, then click on the see details option and it will show you this type of pop-up where you just have to simply copy this code and you can enjoy up to 10% off using the StockX promo code on your cart. So you need to click on redeem at StockX and it will redirect you on stockx.com. Now over here you need to click on the sign up button if you are new to StockX and you need to just create your account on it. But if you already have an account on StockX, then simply click on the login button and provide your login credentials. After that, you just have to add your favorite item into the cart. It can be sneaker, it can be any watches or sunglasses, etc. After that, at the checkout page, you just have to use this promo code and you are done. So this way, you will be able to easily find the latest and the working StockX promo codes in 2024. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.